Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are doing good and having a great day. As you all know, we talk about new projects, and I always try to introduce those projects in which you can invest and get a good return. So, today I have another project to share with you all. They have had their pre sale, and now their pre sale is sold off. They are just launched on PancakeSwap, and you can buy the token right now. So, let's move towards side. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and yes, press the notification bell. Thank you.
Alright, so this is our project for today. It's Khalifa Finance, and the mission of Khalifa is to make millionaires. So Khalifa Finance is here to build social crypto community of individuals by bringing wealth creating opportunities for them. And what their mission is to make at least 100 millionaires in their very start first year. So, if you want to be millionaire, if you want to be one of that 100 people, so all you have to do is to be part of Khalifa. You will be getting many benefits for becoming a holder of Khalifa, as they are giving airdrop tokens to random lucky winners every week. And their mission is to make Khalifa token as a store of value. Not only this, but Khalifa is all about luxury, so they will mint 999 NFTs that will be airdropped to their early holders and adopters. Alright, so this is a great chance to be part of Khalifa, buy Khalifa and become holder of Khalifa. So you will be the next millionaire and you will be getting airdrop and other benefits as well. They have also planned to go cross chain to bring more exposure and liquidity to the project. You can even find Khalifa on Dextool. You can check their price, their website details, and social profiles from here as well. And then you have their chart, and you can even check their Dex score as well. So you have Khalifa on Dextool. Then you have links to their social channels, their Telegram community, their Twitter account, so you can follow them on Twitter. Plus, you can join their Telegram community, so you will be notified about all the things happening in their project. And if you have any type of query, so you can get in touch with the team as well. So it must to join the Telegram community. Then we have their Twitter account. You can follow them on Twitter as well. You can find Khalifa on Twitter. So if they're doing any type of giveaways and the airdrop tokens, etc., and everything about the project, all the updates you will be having on their social channel. So you can follow Khalifa on Twitter as well. You can see the recent tweets of them here and you can find all the updates here as well. Now let's talk about commitments. What commitments they have made to their investors? They have made great commitments to their investors. Khalifa is all about luxury, so it will be a perfect store of value. It will be a token that people want to hold and flex. They will be doing constant burning to increase the demand of supply, and they also have great marketing ongoing and more marketing to be planned. Then, of course, the reward they are giving to their holders every week, and with the rare Khalifa NFTs launching in 2022, so the demand of Khalifa will be rising. So, it's better to buy it now before it gets late. And then they have planned more development of the project and other things. So, they will be reaching very high, and you can be the part of that heights. Okay, so now let's talk about some specifications of Khalifa. And as we know that their aim is to make at least 100 millionaires in their very start first year. So it's a community driven project. 100% rights will be given to community. Community will decide that how the project will move on. And then it's built for luxury. So Khalifa is all about the luxury, and we are here to provide you opportunities to change your life. So they have a mission to give financial freedom to as many people as they can. So the holders will be getting 5% tax redistributed amongst them. And then they are giving opportunities and power. So as a project, they will be transparent, and they give their holders rewards in form of every week tokens via lucky draw, and of course the exclusive NFTs access. So they have great specification for their investors, so you can invest in it, you can be the part of Khalifa, and you can get all these benefits. Now we have the great tokenomics of Khalifa, the token distribution details though. So their total supply is 1 trillion, from which Team Wallet is for 9% of the total supply. That is locked for 6 months. Then Marketing Wallet is for 5%. Airdrops they have reserved is 6%, liquidity 70% of the total supply, that is locked until 31st March 2022 initially, then relocked after bridging liquidity between Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum blockchain. Then for burn they have 10% of total supply upon launch and 3% burn on every transaction. Then we have roadmap of Khalifa to know what they have planned to achieve and what they have already achieved. So the first step was raise awareness and plan the project, then plan pre-sale and optimize tokenomics, then initial pre-sale marketing, sign new partnerships and take influencers on board, CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listing. Yes, let me tell you that they have applied for CoinGecko listing as well, and soon they will be listed on CoinGecko. And then to centralize exchange listing, design and mint luxury NFTs, airdrop NFTs to token Khalifa holders, exclusive merchandise release, collaborate with our partners and influencers. Then release of Khalifa blockchain beta and wallet, organized mentorship from Dingen mentors for our loyal holders, help our loyal holders open up more business doors. For that development roadmap milestones are under review. Check back for more. So they have more development of roadmap as well. You will be able to check it out as soon as they update it. All right, so this was our project for today. Their mission is to make at least 100 millionaires in a very first year. And all you have to do is you just have to buy Khalifa tokens, be the holder of Khalifa tokens, and you will be getting many benefits like NFTs airdrop, token airdrops, and they will be giving airdrops to lucky winners weekly. So you have many benefits by joining them and by being the holder of Khalifa, as well as a chance to be the next millionaire. So I'll provide all the links in the description. You can check out the website by yourself. You can check the project by yourself, do your own research, check out their community, check out their investors and their marketing, etc., all the things, so you will know that how good this project is, and then you can invest in it. So I hope you like the website, you like this project. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.